We often take it for granted, but cleanliness is essential. It's not just about appearances. It's about maintaining a healthy environment. It impacts our health, well-being, and even our social interactions. A clean space can uplift our mood and make us feel more comfortable. At the heart of this cleanliness are soaps and detergents. These products have been developed over centuries to become more effective and user-friendly. These products are fundamental to our daily hygiene routines. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, they play a crucial role. Think about it. We use soap to wash our hands, bodies, dishes, and clothes. Each task requires a specific type of soap or detergent to be effective. Without them, the world would be a much dirtier and potentially more dangerous place. Cleanliness helps prevent the spread of diseases and infections. Soaps and detergents are formulated chemical products designed for cleaning different surfaces, fabrics, and materials by removing dirt, grime, and stains. Soaps are typically made from natural ingredients such as fats and oils, while detergents are synthetic compounds with surfactant properties that enhance the cleaning process. Both products are available in various forms, including bars, liquids, powders, and gels to cater to different preferences and application needs. This session is brought to you by NavaTies, your ultimate destination for all things about international trade. Whether you're looking to learn about global trade or need assistance with imports and exports, NavaTies has got you covered. Visit navaties.com to register for free today and unlock a world of opportunities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Soaps and detergents find widespread use in a multitude of domestic, commercial, and industrial applications. In households, these products are used for personal hygiene, laundry, dishwashing, and general cleaning purposes. In commercial settings, such as restaurants, hotels, and healthcare facilities, soaps and detergents are utilized for sanitation and maintaining hygiene standards. Moreover, in industrial applications like manufacturing, agriculture, and automotive sectors, these products serve as crucial cleaning agents to ensure operational efficiency and product quality. The global trade for soap and detergent currently stands at approximately USD 186 million, with fluctuations ranging between USD 186 million and USD 3.6 billion over the past 5 years. In terms of quantity, the trade volume is around 0.113 million tons, with a range between 0.113 million tons and 2 million tons in the same period. The average price for soap and detergent on the global market is about USD 1.5 per kilogram. The top 10 importers of soap and detergent are the Philippines, Argentina, Brazil, Ghana, Australia, Thailand, Vietnam, Germany, India, and Chile. On the export side, the leading countries are China, the Philippines, Argentina, Uruguay, India, Brazil, Indonesia, Vietnam, the USA, and Spain. Turning to India's soap and detergent exports, the country currently exports around USD 10.6 million, supplying approximately 6,500 tons to the world market at an average price of USD 1.6 per kilogram. India holds a 5.68% market share in terms of value and a 5.09% share in terms of quantity. Over the past 5 years, India's market share has ranged between 5.64% and 6.98%, with revenues fluctuating between USD 10.5 million and USD 251 million. So if you are looking to import in soaps and detergents at better rates and better quality, India should be your destination for procurement. While this is about India's trade, you can generate more reports for soap and detergent trade about any country directly on the NavaTies platform. People are becoming more conscious of the impact their choices have on the environment. This shift in mindset is driving demand for eco-friendly soaps and detergents. These products are formulated with biodegradable ingredients and packaged in sustainable materials. At the other end of the spectrum, there is a growing demand for premium cleaning products. These high-end offerings often boast special features like unique scents, skin-nourishing ingredients, and sophisticated packaging. Consumers are willing to pay a premium for products that offer additional benefits. This trend towards eco-friendliness and premiumization presents both challenges and opportunities for businesses. Companies need to innovate and adapt their product offerings to meet these evolving consumer demands. How can NavaTies help you in exploring the global trade of soap and detergent? NavaTies provides comprehensive country facts and in-depth market research on the global soap and detergent trade. It offers you detailed insights into top countries that import soap and detergent based on various parameters. Further, you can use our business ecosystems to meet business owners who belong to retail and FMCG products industry, or access our world directory of companies, trade, and government bodies, which you can use to improve your export or import business. Click the link in the description and download the detailed report of global soap and detergent trade, or visit navaties.com. In summary, the international trade of soaps and detergents presents a dynamic landscape with immense opportunities for growth and innovation. By staying abreast of market trends, consumer preferences, and technological advancements, industry players can capitalize on emerging opportunities and establish a competitive edge in the global marketplace. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Also give your comments on the same. See you in the next one.